Hi, welcome to Craft It Sweetly. I'm Deanna. Thanks so much for being here. I wanted to do a quick video and show you how to use up some of your washi tapes. Like this particular one has a wide washi tape. So if you have a big stash of washi tape, here's another one that I did that has washi tape just on the sides. So I'll show you how I created this. Let's get right into it. If you have stashes and stashes of washi tape like this, I actually have a boatload of them, and I picked up most of these through the Facebook Marketplace. So I actually won't have links to share with you guys as far as where to get them, but you can search on Amazon or your favorite craft supply place if you don't already own a gazillion rolls of washi tape. So I wanted to show you a quick, easy project to do with the washi tape. And a couple of them I did get through some crafting links, so I'll share that with you. Like this one, this is another one that I got from Altenew. So here's what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm gonna take a tile, and you can choose whatever you want. Now I have this fun one. So when I peel back, it just exposes what looks like lace. And I'm just going to, you can do this whichever direction you want. You can go this way or the other way. I'm gonna put this down this way because I'm gonna use the straight line as the guide to make sure that I'm setting this down exactly where I want it, straight this way. And then I'm just going to trim off the edge. Trim this right at the edge so it doesn't fold over. Right there. And then repeat on the other side. Just make sure it's pressed down properly. Now I will add resin to this to seal it completely, but look how pretty that is for a coaster. So I did actually make another one of these already. Now another option is to combine a couple of the washi tapes. So for this one, I'll use a patterned one. Here's one with little tiny flowers. I love these colors. They're blue and green. And I'm just gonna put it again just right at the edge. And I like this white because it almost blends into the tile, so it looks like your tile is painted. What's nice about washi tape is if it's not exactly where you want it, you just pick it up and redo it. Okay, now I do want to add a border to this. I mean, you can certainly leave it as is if you'd like. It's pretty this way too. What I will do is I'm gonna add a border, a solid border next to it. There's more washi tape right here. So this one, it's got all kinds of glitters. This is nice and skinny. I may do this one because I already did one with this on it. So I'm gonna use this one, which hasn't actually been opened yet. And then I'll show you what the other one looks like, and you can tell me which one looks better. Now this does have a backing, so it almost looks like it's a tape versus like the traditional washi tape that doesn't have this backing to it. And I'm gonna go right along the edge of the other washi tape. So instead of going farther in, I mean, you can leave a gap if you'd like. I'm just gonna go right, whoop, that one was not good. I didn't go all the way to the edge of the tile. So this is the one that I just put. Now here's one that has a skinny edge to it. Which one do you like more? I think they're both cool, and you can actually do two and two of each. And this last one that I want to show you is with this wide washi tape, which kind of almost covers the entire tile here. And I'm gonna go with it. I did one already, so I'm gonna go in the same direction as the other one so that I have two identical ones. Same on the edge. Now you could go in the center with this. Now if you do it in the center, you do want to measure to make sure. I mean, you could do it slightly off center, but if you're trying to go for center, make sure you measure so you have the same distance on both sides. And once you have it down, you can use some kind of scraper. Since this is wider, you want to make sure that you're getting any of the air bubbles out. And I can tell that right here it's slightly off, so I will pick this up and redo. Okay, and I did have another one, as I mentioned, already done with this. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I will resin these, and I won't go into too much detail about that. I do have another video that I have linked at the end of this and also in the description box, so that you can check out how to do the resin when you're doing a tile. I did some photo ones that look like this, and these are resined. And these have resin on them. As you can see, they are nice and shiny, and I'll show you what I did to, I'll have a link for this video so you can see how to do the resin so you end up with this nice finished look. So I'm gonna get the resin done on these, and then I will return and show you what they look like as coasters. So now that the resin has completely set, this is what they look like. And I've added the cork board on the back. I didn't go into detail about how I did the resin on here. I have another video that I've linked right at the bottom in the description box, as well as right at the top, to show you how I do the resin on tiles, because I've done some other ones as well. But look how pretty that is, and that I just used the washi tape on here, and this was the wide one for it. And you can see what a nice shine it has over it. Now I do want to show you a quick issue I had with one of them, and it's probably because I didn't add enough resin. And just so you know, I put the tape around the edge here when I did the pouring, and this one, the resin kind of pulled away from the washi tape. I'm not sure if you can kind of see it, that it's right there. So you can see that this area here has no resin and this does. So I believe it was because I just didn't add enough resin to this particular tile. And same thing kind of happened along the edge here. So just make sure you do have enough resin on it. But I'm happy with the way these ones turned out. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you end up creating some nice coasters with your stash of washi tapes, please post them in my Facebook group. Would love to see them. Now for this one, I did add ink to the resin and then kind of just spread that out. And then the same thing, I have the cork on the back for the coaster. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next project.